Hello my friend, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to make a short quick tip video about VR problem. If you are working with an old project of VR for Oculus or something about virtual reality, probably you will find this kind of error. The type of the name VR does not exist in the namespace blah 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 blah. This error we can solve this problem by simply changing the VR to XR. Change it to XR and save the script. XR, and when you have saved the script, go back again to your Unity project. Now those errors are gone, and then remains another problem. XR device is present, is obsolete, blah 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 blah. Find the activated program, check that running property. Let me check this one too. XR device that is present is obsolete. This is obsolete and should no longer be used. Instead, find the active and check that the running property is true. Line 284. Oh my god, 284. I don't know, maybe just temporary fix. Let's just comment this line and let's just return false. Just temporary fix. I don't know how to fix that. At least that one is solved. Now this one, debug head controller. This one too, to fix it, as I said before, this temporary fix. We can ignore the error by changing XR device that is present to, which line is it? 88. This way. Let's fix it by not using this. Code. Let's not to use this code. This way. Oops. This one should be here. If okay, let's go back, and I hope the error will be gone. Okay, the error is gone, and there is another error. Minimum supported Android API level is 22. Please use Android. This is simple. You can solve this error by changing the build setting, layer settings. It is very obvious. We need to minimum supported Android level API level is 22, so we should use 22. It is 23. What the heck? Minimum supported Android 22 or higher. Let's use 24. still here. Oh, it's not on the, it's not here. I think it is on a script. You know guys, this project is made by my friend, and they asked me to update the project. And what I hate about working on somebody else's project is this one. I got this error and that error on their code because I'm using the newer version of Unity. Alright, 657. Ooh. 657. Let's just change it to 22. Let's see. Alright, that error is gone, and then another error. This is the thing that I hate when I work on somebody else's project. This is simple error. We need to change it to XR again. And what's next? What is the next error? Let's check. I hope this one should be the last one. Yes. Okay guys, basically that is the way how to fix errors when you are opening somebody else's project in your Unity editor. Another errors, 3 errors. Well, let me see. XR device does not contain the model. Something that I'm sure that I don't need this script. VRTK device finder. I can just ignore the error by commenting the line that has an error, or 430. What the heck is this model? Because I'm working on Oculus Quest, I don't use any of them. Just let me ignore the error by doing this. And let me just type Quest. This is not a real solution, right? It's just my trick to bypass these errors. Alright, there are 2 more. This one again. 150. Model. String model. Oh man. There is even no quest here. I don't care about this model thingy. Let me type quest to solve the error. What else? I hope this one is the last one. This again. If your device is present, is obsolete. 918. Here. Yeah. Don't care. Let's go back. Another error. That is what we do if we are working on somebody else's project. Pretty annoying, right? 128 128 128. We can just comment this line. Bye bye. And then this one 132 132. This one will be unassigned local variable VR enabled devices. VR enabled devices. What should I do here? String VR enabled devices. Use of unassigned local variable. Target group. Let's just comment it. Why not? I hope there should be no error. Okay, that's all the errors are gone, man. Pretty annoying. And I don't know, am I able to run the scene or not? Well, that is the way how to fix some common errors when you are opening somebody else's project. And of course there will be another error when you run the game, something like this, and you need to solve it. Okay, my intention at the first time on making this video is to solve the VR XR error, and after I solve that error, I see another errors there, so I need to edit them one by one. Okay, that's all. I don't want to record any further. I'm already annoyed with these errors. Thank you guys. Bye bye.